without much laugh or knowledge, थॉट एंड नॉलेज. सो यहाँ पर प्रिजुडिसाइड मीन्स एक ये एक ऐसा केस है जहाँ पर पीपल को नेगेटिवली थिंक किया जाता है और उनके नेगेटिव मान लिया जाता है बिना कुछ सोचे समझे और बिना उसके बारे में कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन और नॉलेज लिए. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ वी कंसिडर इंग्लिश इज़ द बेस्ट लैंग्वेज एंड अदर laugh are not important, we are judging those other language negatively. See, for example, जैसे यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि if someone is considered that according to someone is English is the best language, then in such case other languages are totally totally not valuable for them. They only think that English is the best language and they mostly laughed on other language if anyone use. So this mindset is not a good. Due to this reason we may not respect people who speak language other than English and consider them as inferior. So in such case what happen, the people who know the English very well and according to them if the English is the best language, then if someone speak Hindi or if someone speak other language as compared to English, so mostly the people who think like that or whose opinion is like that English is the best, so he mostly laugh on them or they find or they think that those people are not good or those are different from them, and they all he or she will always neglect them. It is due to the false opinion and the belief that exists in the mind of the person. So why they behave like this? They behave like that only because of their mindset and opinion, the false mindset and the belief which feed in their mind. So we cannot प्रिजुडाइज अवर अबाउट एनी थिंग. तो इसके लिए कहा जाता है कि हमें पहले से ही किसी चीज़ को लेकर अपना माइंडसेट नहीं सेट करना चाहिए और पहले से ही किसी चीज़ को लेकर अपनी ओपिनियन नहीं बनाई रखनी चाहिए. अबाउट एनी थिंग्स लाइक पीपल, रिलीजन, बिलीव, स्किन कलर अगेंस्ट फ्रॉम द एसेंस दे स्पीक इन द क्लोथ्स दे wear, etc.